Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing Onshape and SketchUp, two very popular 3D CAD platforms. We've tested both and here's what we learned. Onshape's pros. It's cloud-based so we can access projects anywhere without worrying about losing files. It supports real-time collaboration, which is huge for team projects. It also handles parametric modeling, making it excellent for engineers who need precision. Onshape's cons. It requires a steady internet connection, and the free version is limited compared to paid tiers. Beginners may also find it overwhelming at first. Now, SketchUp's pros. It's super beginner friendly and intuitive, especially for architects, interior designers, and hobbyists. The plugin library is massive, letting us customize workflows. It also runs smoothly even on lower powered laptops. SketchUp's cons. It's not as precise for complex mechanical engineering, but large projects sometimes lag and the free web version lacks advanced features. So which is the best? For professional engineering teams, Onshape wins. For design simplicity and quick modeling, SketchUp is unbeatable. This has been how to literally keep things smart and simple and scam-free.